Welcome to this video walkthrough on remote proceedings conducted through WebEx provided by Lexitas. We strongly recommend downloading and installing the WebEx meeting software before the day of your remote proceedings, just to make sure things go as smoothly as possible. To do this, simply open up your internet browser and go to webex.com/downloads. When you're on this page, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see WebEx meetings on the left-hand corner, and you should see a button to download it to your appropriate device. If for some reason you will not have access to a PC or a laptop on the day of the remote proceedings and need to use something such as a mobile device or tablet, you can also download the same software on the App Store or the Google Play Store for Android devices. So once I click the button to install it, you should see the file download to your PC, and then you'll be taken to a thank you page. But from here, I'm going to click on the installer and follow the prompts. So now I'm in the installation window, and I'm going to keep clicking next, accept the terms, and install. Once the installation is finished, it'll let you know that it's completed, and you can hit the finish button. For now, you are welcome to close the WebEx meeting software, as we will be automatically opening this back up when we are ready to join the remote proceedings. To join the WebEx meeting, simply go to the email that was sent to you by our scheduling staff at Lexitas inviting you to the meeting. When you scroll down, you should see a green button that says Join Meeting. Simply click this button and it will launch your internet browser. And if you already have WebEx meetings installed, you will see a button here that says Open Cisco WebEx Meeting, and simply click this button to jump right into the meeting. Now, when you first jump into the meeting, you're going to see a preview screen that's going to let you know about your video and audio, whether they're enabled, disabled, and also give you some information on the devices that you're using. For example, your device settings, your speaker, your microphone, and from here you can test or adjust which devices you're using from the drop-down list. In order to exit this window, simply click outside of it. You can also choose what kind of audio you want to use for this meeting, whether you want to use computer audio over the internet, or whether you want to call in to the meeting using your phone. Once all of your settings look good, your audio is set, your video feed is up and running, simply click on the green Start Meeting button. So once you are inside the meeting interface and the meeting is live, this is basically what it looks like. As you move your mouse cursor, you have most of your options down at the bottom of the screen. Also, you have a menu bar at the top of the screen, and that'll become important in a little bit. First of all, something you should know, if you want to pin a certain participant as the main window, the main speaker, so that you're always seeing mostly them throughout the meeting, such as pinning the witness, you could do that by clicking the little pen icon next to their name, and you'll see that it says lock this video. And when I do that, you might have some options saying, do you want to lock it for me or for everyone, but you just want it to be for you. Also, if for some reason your meeting is full screen and you're not seeing the top menu bar, click the little icon in the upper right hand corner that says exit floating panel, and now you will see your menu bar again. So let's go over the bottom navigation, because most of the important functions that you need to access are down here. You'll see a little microphone with a line through it. This is the mute button. So if you click it, that means nobody else in the meeting will hear you. Likewise, if your microphone is red with a line through it, that means you are currently muted, so you need to unmute it by clicking it like that. Also, you do have a video button that does the same thing. You can either stop or start your video just by clicking on the button. So if I click this video, my video feed is now going away. Nobody else can see me. They can still hear me though. And if I click it again, my video is re-enabled. At a certain point, maybe attorneys or other parties need to present documents such as exhibits during the proceedings. To do that, there is a share button right here. So when you click the share content button, you have several options. You can either just share your screen overall, or you can pick a specific window. Or if you want to specifically pick a particular file, you could click the share file at the bottom left-hand corner. You might have to scroll down a little bit to see that option. But once you share your screen, for example, maybe I want to share my email. but this is just an example. Mostly people will be sharing documents and PDFs of exhibits. You'll see that a top menu bar appears that gives me more options, such as annotate or stop sharing. So whenever the person is ready to stop presenting whatever document or window that they're sharing, they just simply hold their mouse at the top and click stop sharing. And now the meeting has gone back to normal. If you want to view all of the participants and attendees of the meeting, there's a little button here. It's a little person. Click that and it'll show you a list on the right-hand side of the screen that shows you all of the participants. And then I can close this window by clicking the little X in the upper right-hand corner. If you want to engage with chat, meaning if you want to send instant messages to all of the users in the meeting, click on the little chat icon and then you can type your message at the bottom. And that will go to everyone in the meeting. Similarly, if someone else chatted, you'll see the chat button light up, and when you click it, their chat message will be right there for you to look at. Finally, we have more options when you click on this button right here that has the 3 dots. And what's important is that the host can lock the meeting, meaning nobody else can come inside. You can invite and remind other users. You can copy the meeting link if you need to shoot a quick message to somebody else. And also audio connection. If you want to switch your audio from computer internet audio to phone audio, you would click the audio connection button to get that going. And then if you need to adjust or look at your devices, meaning the microphone, the speaker, the camera, then you would click on this button right here that says speakerphone, microphone, and camera. At a certain point, maybe you don't just want to present and show people a document, but maybe you need to give it for other people to download. This is called file transfer in WebEx meetings. To do that, you simply go to File, Transfer, and now a new window will pop up where you can hit Share File. This will allow you to browse your PC and find a file that you would like to upload for everyone else to download. Now, once you have selected the file you want to transfer, everybody else in the meeting is going to get a little notification saying that they are able to download that file. It also might give them a warning saying that WebEx is not responsible for the safety or security of the file that's being transferred. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to schedule your next remote proceeding through WebEx, please contact Lexitas today.